With so many different places to post videos these days, aspect ratio is equally important as the quality of the video. So today I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio of your video so that you can be posting in the right aspect ratio on the right platforms. So let's get into it. So you'll see right here, I have imported a video clip and the aspect ratio is 9:16, right? So what we want to do is on the bottom over here, you'll make sure that you are on the cut tab, and here you will see your media pool. Now, if you're not seeing it, just above that there is a tab that says media pool. Now, this can be toggled on and off. What we want to do is right click on the timeline, and here we want to click on timeline settings. Now, from this window, you can see that the timeline resolution is 1920 by 1080, which is essentially 16 by 9. At the bottom of this window, we want to select the Use Project Settings, make sure it's not selected, and this will allow us to change these settings. Now, the timeline resolution, it has a drop-down menu. Here you can click on Custom, which you can dial in your own numbers, or you can choose from one of the presets. Now, choosing from one of the presets is probably the better option. Because this video specifically is in a 9:16, you can actually swap this around just by clicking on this Use Vertical Resolution. It is now 9:16 and not 16:9, and you will see the changes being made now once you click OK. This is now going to be exported in 9:16 aspect ratio. One of the other things that you want to keep in mind is by going again to timeline settings, going over to output, onto the right hand side, and here you want to select Use Timeline Settings for Output Scaling. This will make sure that the settings that you are using within your timeline will be your default settings when exporting your video, and it'll make your life a whole lot easier. Now, if you want to learn more about DaVinci Resolve, you can jump onto our channel. We've got tons of awesome content to help you learn. We'll see you over there. Peace out.